This time also, I think non-tribal will be allowed because it has been continuing since time immemorial, since the inception of the Garo Autonomous District. I tell you the reason why it is so. Nobody knows now. The people who were born yesterday will not know what happened, 10 years back, before they were born. Say, Garo District Council or any district councils were given to the tribal. Just after, say, 1947, we got our independence. And we struggled together, irrespective of caste and creed. All Indians struggled together to achieve independence. And the brotherly spirit of brotherhood were there, running high in those days. So when the district council, autonomous district council is created for Garo Hills, our leaders, who struggled together with non-tribal, they said, let's share together. That is the spirit, and it is still continuing. Now, because we got the conference, we don't need this non-tribal. We don't like to see. Of course, nowadays, if we think about it in the present context, non-tribal has no right to vote because it is given for the tribal only. That everybody feels. But in that time, this brotherly spirit was running high, and our leaders, Garo leaders, they want to share equally with the non-tribal who are residing in the Garo Hills. That's why even this on minority basis, even the Nepalis are nominated to be. And if what is called Mon Bahadur Chetri, he was also nominated. And Akraman Zaman was also nominated. So now the feeling of the younger generation is different. But for us, who saw what happened in the past and how much it was difficult struggle for the independence, and together we work to achieve this independence. But a man is born yesterday, how he will feel this one. That's why these people are against. They never thought, they cannot even imagine also what was the spirit of justice. Now I am not saying that all the non-tribal should be given the opportunity to vote. But I also feel that since it is an autonomous district council given for the tribal only, so tribal should have the right and non-tribal has no any say on that. But saying about those, this is a spirit which was prevailing among the people, who struggled together to achieve the independence. That is the reason only why it is allowing to continue to do so.